Hello, this is Will from JourneyWallStreet.blogspot.com, and I'm here for the trade reviews for trades made on June 20th, 2012. So I forgot to do the. Well, I didn't forget. I didn't have time to do the review for yesterday, so I'm gonna get this out of the way really quickly. So, first trade here was in Tesla. Basically, the trade happened here. I looked at this as a 21 EMA kind of a support play. So my entry was right there. Stop was right there. I mean, and I got stopped out. But the problem with being stopped out in Tesla is you don't get the prices you want. You get slippage down to here. So that was bad. Walgreens. Walgreens was kind of a mixed bag for me. I had some good stuff and I had some bad stuff. Ultimately, it didn't end up the way I wanted it. So I tried to short this first kind of EMA pullback area, and my initial short didn't work, but I gave it another try, and that was working fine. I made some trades on the way. I was going to be short as long as it remained underneath the EMAs. So I was able to take some profits into here and some into there just to reduce the risk, because I kind of knew that the trajectory was kind of low, and if it's going to go, it should have went already. And I reloaded on the next kind of test down here on this green candle, and as you can see, that reload kind of messed me up because I was stopped out on this push. So that was pretty much the trade. It was okay here, and once I don't want to say I got greedy. It was still within the play, but I got stopped out. So it is what it is. Not too concerned about that trade. Next trade I was in Expedia. This trade probably wasn't really that great of a trade either. So it's kind of looking at this as a pullback play. Pullback here into the EMAs right there. But if you look at the bigger picture, that little play right there happened here. And it was kind of bouncing off of you don't see it here, but the 20 simple moving average bounced off of there and came roaring back. So maybe this is a trade that I shouldn't have made. But I didn't lose much. You know, I shorted this wick and got stopped out of that wick, so it's not too bad. But the fact is, I should have let my longer term time frames line up and make the trade that way instead. Finally, JC Penney's. I guess I had the right idea, but just the wrong timing. I was kind of looking at this for more of a traditional pullback type of play because the EMAs was really scrunched up. So it wasn't that kind of. It was this play here. Once it caught that, bounced off the 21 EMA, that's when I got long on the bounce, because I noticed that they have a wick here which I really like, and I was stopped out on this candle. I got stopped out. This is a very small trade because you know, it didn't do all the things I wanted to do. Otherwise, you know, I would have bought on the break of the entry bar and things like that. But because I was able to get into the EMAs, it didn't hurt me that much. The thing that kind of messed me up, or we shouldn't say messed me up, but the better thing I should have done was wait some more and maybe trade this as a catch play, then maybe trade this as a EMA bounce play right there, and another potential EMA trade right there. You know, I don't hate this trade. I mean, it was there. The trade was there. It's just that um, I missed the subsequent plays that could have offered some pretty nice risk versus reward, and especially because it went up 22, like almost a point from there. And with JCPenney, I'm looking at, for example, if I was there, as I was able to get in on this wick, then I would have been risking what 5 cents, and 5 cents would have been able I would have been able to get a lot of shares, and plus I would have added on the break, so that's another 7 cents. But anyways, that's just you identify these plays for a chance to load up, but not necessarily load up, but um, be able to aggressively tier into good positions. So that was that, and I'm gonna go quickly end this here to start my next video. Thanks for watching.